that you're here in a strange place, and that here you will, without any way of going back, be staying. As you stand alone on this barren plain, your single shadow lying long and black across the late afternoon light, you realize that this new country is bleak and lonely and is without reference to anything you have ever known. Nothing much terrible has happened to you yet, just little things. But terrible things are happening all the time to others and may happen to you. You at last, admittedly, full of fear. I tell myself that I must see something in the mirror besides my wrinkled veneer if I'm to have any calm, that I will have to make my peace with the loss of smooth skin and find satisfaction in the gaining of something that takes its place. Something, yes, that should always have been in me, or something that has always been in me but has never seen the light of day. So I stand in the open countryside where there are no familiar landmarks, and it comes to me suddenly, yes, this is the country of old age. I am old. What's more, I accept the reality, humbling as though it is, that people will look at me and see that I'm old. It has gone, this mindless safety, so blissful while it lasted, of believing that it couldn't happen to me. It is gone.
That was beautiful.